time?
Oh, I think it's past 6.
Huh. They're closing at 6.
Well, maybe we're just pushing it a bit.
Seems a bit early, doesn't it?
Yeah.
They let you out if you're here.
Well, I think we're pushing it a bit.
It didn't happen to me once.
Maybe when there's cars here, they have to wait for you. Wait for everybody. When does the train go?
What?
Do you think the train still goes? Or does it sit there?
I suspect they're from like a
This
train
isn't...
restoration society or something.
Ah.
I suspect. And maybe they do kind of store them there. They probably work on them.
Yeah.
Oh, big one now. It's got like 4 wheels.
Well, I'm not really picking up much color. Look at that strange cloud right over that building. Do you see it? It looks like a...
Yeah, I saw that.
Well, I'm not catching it on this at all. It looks like a dart or a plume or a bird.